Fishcurry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.
And I'm back again here for the lunch. It's a part 2 at the Sagreshwar beach at Vengurla with Mr. Deulkar. I'm at this beautiful Sagreshwar beach at Vengurla. This beach is exactly a hidden location for me because this resort I was not at all aware of it. But when my exploration for my fish curry started, I went on to find out these various places and these locals over here who make these fish recipes here. And I'm here to search those various different kind of fishes which are hardly eaten or rarely eaten. The people try to avoid it. But these are one of the best, tastiest fishes with the beautiful ethnic local recipes in it. So today we are going to have a fish that is called irda. That is Indian Oil Sardines, and they are small in pieces and they have got very less bones. And the other fish is Tarle. Again, that is also an Indian Oil Sardine, but it is a very long kind of fish and it has got lots of bones. So we are going to have a recipe here today, which I have spoken with the chef here who and his wife, they make, Mr. Deulkar. He is going to cook
Fishcurry Stories.
the irida, that is a small Indian oil sardines gravy, and the tarli, that are the bigger Indian oil sardines to be fried on pan. So these recipes are going to be very unique. The kind of spices, like I told you earlier, from every belt or maybe every place, or there are wadis here, small villages. They have got their different spices, their measurements of putting their chilies or the Garcinia indica, trying to find out different kind of recipes, spices, and the tastier fishes which are never explored or rarely eaten by people. But on the Konkan belt, these are one of the beautiful and the tastiest fishes that we always are eager to eat. So guys, come on, let's go. Hi guys, so now I'm back here into their open kitchen where we are going to do a live cooking here. So this is our normal procedure that they follow here. And after meeting Mr. Deulkar, who runs this Darya Raja homestay here at Sagreshwar beach, I am with his wife Bhargavi ma'am. She is going to show me 2 recipes of exclusive fish, and that fish is again an Indian oil sardines. Now these are the small Indian oil sardines which she is going to make a gravy of them. So first she will show us the procedure of how she is going to make, how she is going to start. Okay ma'am, तुम्ही सांगा कसं सुरू करणार, गॅस ऑन करा, कसं येईल तुमच्या हिशोबामध्ये. So what is the first procedure?
हे आम्ही वाटण लावून घेतलेलं.
Okay. So these are the ingredients that she is going to use for the marination. It's grated coconut, tamarind.
Yes.
This is Indian Sichuan pepper, the garlic cloves, chopped onion, salt, and this is what?
मच्छी मसाला.
Okay, that is a fish masala. Like always in Malvan area, they have these kind of fish masalas that they use, which is made with Sagreshwari chilies or bedgi chilies. That is called round chilies, long chilies. There is no specific name for them in English actually, because there on various parts these chilies are available. So those chilies and coriander powder, and what else is kept in this masala when they make the fish masala apart from Sagreshwari? Only coriander powder and red chilies. Am I right? And then tomato and raw coriander seed and raw chopped coriander. Now all these ingredients will be grinded into a proper paste for making the curry of this Indian oil sardines. These are small Indian oil sardines which are called irda. Irda is basically small tarli, and this speciality in this is what? There are hardly bones in it. So ma'am, can you please start it?
Okay.
The procedure? Okay.
हे आम्ही पेस्ट तयार करून ठेवली.
Okay. Oh wow. So this paste is ready right now. Of all these ingredients has been made, and that Indian Sichuan pepper have been dropped in directly. They have not been grinded. Only the tamarind, coconut, coriander, fish masala, raw onion, garlic pills have been grinded, and this is the color that we have got for the gravy. So now what you are going to do? Okay,
cook करना
it will be kept directly for cooking, and she will start cooking it. And at least I think one boil you need.
Yes.
Yes, so one boil needs to come for that. So you can come closer and see once it starts boiling. This is how we have kept it. Yeah. Now we'll take some catch heat for some time, and after some time it will start boiling. Then I think so we will push in these small Indian sardines. And then again it will be slow cooked for about 10 minutes because fish doesn't take long time to cook. And the gravy is ready. That is called tikla. So this is again a tikla which is made in a coconut paste. And in goes our irda. That's Indian Oil Sardines, the small baby sardines, not the bigger ones. So now with this fish dropped in, we'll let it simmer for maximum 5 minutes because the fish will be cooked in the next 5 minutes. The gravy has ultimately cooked, boiled and completely. So now the next recipe is again Indian oil sardines, but these are Tarli. These are not irda. Irda are the babies of these Tarlis. They call it irda, which we made a gravy earlier. Now we are going to fry these Indian oil sardines, a very tasty fish. This fish has got a lot of bones because these are the younger ones you can see. There are still more bigger than this, but this was the catch today. So we are trying to do on that. So for that what we are doing is, we are trying to make a marination masala of these ingredients. This is fish masala.
Masala, yes.
Okay, and this is this is Garcinia indica, that is kokum syrup,
Syrup.
which is tangy and sour in taste, will give sweetness also. Then we have got turmeric in this, and this is
Ginger garlic paste.
ginger garlic paste and salt. So all these ingredients will be mixed together with little water, I think so.
Yes.
No oil in this?
No.
Okay, all with water, and a dark paste is made. With that, the fishes were coated and marinated and kept for some time. So now, what ma'am will do is, she is going to do the shallow fry. So let's watch now how she goes ahead with that.
हा रवा आणि राईसचा फ्लॉवर आहे.
Okay, this is semolina and rice flour mixed together. So what will happen is, when the fish is fried on shallow, it will be nice crispy layer of that sardines that will be, made. They will automatically be like crispy. There, they are dipped into this rice flour and semolina mixed together. They go into the pan. The aroma of that marination that was done with the fish masala, and as soon as they are laid into that pan, the aroma is absolute good. I can smell the aroma of that spicy little ginger garlic paste. The tanginess of even the Garcinia indica also, comes out as it's shallow frying. Are we doing it on high flame or slow flame?
Medium.
Okay. So this will be fried on a medium flame for how much time?
5 to 7 minutes.
Okay. Maximum 5 to 7 minutes. The shallow fry will be once on the one side and on the other side. Wow. Look at the exact intact coating has not at all left because of the rice flour and the semolina. The whole marination has been intact onto the fish. And these are our Indian Oil Sardines, Tarle. These are Tarle Fry. These are my favorite fishes actually, which I always like. I always love this fish. It's very tasty and it is enriched with omega 3s. So it has got its own nutrient value also. Now, signal nicely it's getting turned on. So nearly our recipe is done. In some time we'll be sitting down for our lunch with the gravy of the small sardines and fried big sardines on the side. And now what we are going to do is, ma'am told me that she is not going to coat it with the rice flour and semolina. That simple masala marinade that has been done to these other two sardines will be directly fried. Okay ma'am, please. I want to see whether the masala remains intact or does it loosen out onto the pan. There. And this masala fry.
मसाला फ्रायला कमी फ्लेम.
Okay, these are the. Okay. There it goes again. Now again it will be fried on one side. These at least go to at least 5 minutes, no, ma'am, not more than that. Fish doesn't take long time, to fry. And it hardly takes time to eat also, once it is done. Excellent aroma. I just cannot explain you the aroma that's coming out. The whole magic is of that marination that had been done with the spice. And actually the oozing aroma that is coming out of the, which we call it. There's no specific name in English for these mirchis or these chilies. There it goes on the other side. The masala also has been intact, ma'am. Excellent. Because generally I've seen if you don't apply semolina or some coating, the masala that has been marinated onto that fish or maybe it's a chicken steak, it spreads. For my lunch, an exotic atmosphere right now across the sea. I can see it's like supposed to be going to be raining at some time. Now with me is Swapnil Deolkar and his wife. Ma'am, thank you so much for this feast and for the recipe and what you have showed me today. Acha, मला हे विचारायचं होतं. I wanted to ask you one thing. What are the other added attractions of your homestay? Like what other recipes that you are more into it? So I can again come back to explore that, because right now actually I'm just hopping from one place to other. So what are the other recipes?
Crabs masala
Okay.
and surmai fry, fish fry.
Okay. So crab masala and surmai fish fry. So that's
And,
crab and kingfish.
And
I'll-
solkadi must try.
Okay, that's the Gashinia indica
soul curry. Coconut
syrup.
soul curry.
Yeah, which is made in that coconut milk. I have shown you earlier in one of my episodes. You can again scroll back and go and check it. So I think I will have to come back again. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually taste this recipe, ma'am. And so thankful to it because this is one of my favorite fish that actually I like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this first fish, which is fried with semolina and rice flour, and I'm going to taste that fish first, the fried fish, because I love this fried fish. There are these bones in the fish. You can see this. Wow. Amazing. Sardines are my favorite fish and fried in such a way, ma'am. This is absolutely nice. The spices that they have used, excellent. And I'm telling you, you have to follow these recipes because my show is not only of going to places, going to restaurants and hotels and just exploring what the food is about. I am trying to directly get into the kitchen. I want to find out the spices. I want to be very clear what masalas they use, and only I'm approaching those people who are willing to share with me all these secrets because I'm really into it that I want to find out why the taste is so good in that spicy. No doubt some people want to keep it as a secret with them, but some people like Mr. Swapnil and the other episodes which you have seen, they are all sharing their secrets with me, the spices and the recipes. But still, there's one thing, there is a saying in Marathi की शेवटी हाताचं एक त्यामध्ये चव असते. That's the taste of the hand, who makes it and how it is made. That also makes a lot of difference. So bye with the next episode. Bye bye and see you, and let me feast on it. Swapnilji, thank you so much.
Sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, man.
Must.
Fishcurry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.